Okay, welcome everyone once more. Tonight, we are going to be building a sales dashboard for Foodtraco.com. I think with what we've done already, we have the capacity to build a dashboard. We are going to start from sales dashboard. There are so many dashboards we can build for Foodtraco, but we just have to start with the sales dashboard. So I've shared the data sets and even the lecture notes in the WhatsApp forum so that it can help us to follow up if we want to follow up as we are building the dashboard. So if you want a copy of the data set, you get there and get it. And with this, I'm going to proceed to my Power BI to get started. So I hope you can see my Power BI.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to proceed to get the data. Going to get the data for can pick the data from the data is on Excel document, so we can pick it from anywhere. I'll pick it from here. And okay, this is the sheet, and this is the data here, and I'll load it and then transform it from the Power BI. So I need to, or if you want, you can go to transform data immediately, but I will want to load. Okay, the data set is loaded. If you look at here, you see it here, but we cannot model it at this, visualize it at this point because we still need to transform the data. So let's go to transform data here. And so now we can see that the data is now loaded here on the Power Query editor for us to transform the data. So where do we start the transformation? The first thing we need to do is to remove some column that are not relevant. And if we look at the data set here, you can see some column that we think that is not relevant. So this is so for me, the column we think that is not relevant here is the note. This note here does not contain any valuable information for me. I think that's the only column we think we can. So we select it and right click, we remove it. So, so that's the first step in our transformation. So, and remove the column. The next thing is some of the missing values. Missing values. If you're following our lesson notes, you'll see that we have some missing values, like the region. We have some missing values there. So okay. Actually, there's no missing value here. Okay. So the only thing we have here is null values. And all these null values, we need to either replace them or remove them. So replace null value, insert amount. So for us to do that, the new value there in sales amount, we need to replace it with 0. With 0. Okay. We can see the new value here is being replaced with 0. So it make our data set look better than just having no value here. Okay. Data type. Another way we can replace this no value is we can use filter to filter them out. That's another way we can do that. And on this date type, we need to so now
Sorry, sir, for dragging you backwards.
okay.
I am struggling to replace the null value on sales amount. I know you have well, when I right click on the null value, it's not still giving me the option of replace,
Okay.
unlike the other ones.
On sales,
On sales amount, the third
okay.
row
This
has
one,
nothing. Yes, you know, you have replaced it already with 0. The third row,
this one,
yes, you have replaced, but my own, I don't know whether it's because of it's not replacing.
yeah, you see, you select you write no. Just you can see everything I'm doing now because I'm sharing the whole. So you write no here.
Okay.
The no should be capital letter, please.
Okay. Okay.
And then replace with 0.
Okay. Did you right click on the no value before you get that, or you right click on where, sir? Sorry, before you get to this interface you are now, sir. Sorry.
Okay. You first highlight the column. On this replace, you see this small arrow here.
Okay.
Small drop down. If you click on that small drop down, it will bring this. You see,
replace on.
you just click on it. You don't need to right click, just click.
Okay, sir.
If you just click, it will bring out this dialog box for you to
replace. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. The next is change data type. So let's change this data type here, and you see data date type from here. We click. So I'm going to select date. Yeah. Okay. Then we go to sales amount. Sales amount. We select decimal number. Decimal number. And then we go to quantity. We select whole number. Are we following?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm following it step by step. If you have a copy of the notes. So the next is to remove the duplicate.
Excuse me, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sorry, sir. I noticed something in that date. There is still no there. That no, is it supposed to be there? Are we not supposed to fill down to the
We are
previous?
going to what we're going to do is we're going to filter it out.
Okay.
We're going to filter them out.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So now, if there is any duplicate this thing, now you see I've highlighted the whole columns, and you see, yeah, I can click here and remove the duplicates. So if you have any duplicates, you can do that and remove the duplicates. And that's what I'm going to. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys struggling or how to select the whole column at the same time?
Press
Yes.
Go
Control A.
go to yes, go to control. If you control,
Or you go down
you
shift key and select them one after the other.
so if you want to do it this like now, I'm pressing control and I'm selecting all of them, so I'm doing that one as well. So, so and then to remove the duplicates, I just right click. So you can see here, remove duplicates. So
It's done.
Okay. Let me talk about why we need to, like, you see some of the no here, you see in the customer name, you see we have no here. So how do we solve a problem? Are we going to then write some other person's name, which I think is the wrong, or are we going to delete it? We don't need to, because if we delete it, we'll have other this thing, other record within other column. Like it's only this cell we have no. What about Abuja snack chips? So I think the only way is to filter them out. Filtering it out, we've not removed anything from their data set. Are you getting it?
Okay.
Are you following?
Yes, sir.
So we've not
Yes.
actually deleted any of their anything in case of maybe tomorrow there is an investigation going on or whatever they say, like the auditors say you deleted a record or something like that. So I think the best way, what we are just trying to do is to get the data so that we can, visualize the data. We don't need to, so all we need to do is here, you see this, you can see the no here. Can you see it in my filter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I click OK. So that's gone. And here equally, I use filter to get them out of the way. So filtering it doesn't mean that I'm not deleting. It was just kind of hidden. So I'm just hiding it from the data that I want to I think we've gone all, we don't have any more no values. We've filtered everything out. Okay. We can filter this out as well. The 0 and so. So the sales amount 0 have been filtered out as well. So you can see our data set is looking better than before. So for me, the data set is clean enough now. So we have transformed this data set to a stage we can start visualizing the data set. But if we just leave it like this, or if we just close this, it's not going to. If we just close this, all this work we've done on this data set is not going to reflect in the main data set. So all we need to do is to come over here. Is close and apply. And with that, we'll close the Power Query editor. Are you following?
Sir, please, where did you click to get it?
Yeah.
Where did you click to get that close and apply? I didn't see it. Please.
Go to home. Home. You see home here. You know, before we are transforming the data, we are on transform tab. If you are still on transform here, you are not going to see it. So for you to close it up, go back to home tab. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
If you go on home tab, then you see this. You see this. You see this small drop down arrow. You click on small drop down. You see apply, close. So we are going to close and apply.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So with that, all the work we've done has been saved. Okay. Go to data. If you are on this the main Power BI canvas. Then I want to, this is where data here, you can see this is the data set we are working on. If you click on this, I'll open it up. So are we ready for visualization?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first thing to visualize is sales by category. Sales by category. And we are going to use bar charts. So this is bar charts. So I'm going to click on bar charts. Click on bar charts. And now it's sales by category. There's important thing at this point, which I want us to understand. You see, our visualization is going to be based on two variables, x-axis and y-axis. Y-axis is the vertical, that is this vertical, and so it's based on vertical and horizontal. So that is it. If you get it that way, then it's not going to be difficult for you. So we're going to take the category to x-axis. This is category. We drag it to x-axis. That is it here. That is category. Then this is sales amount. This sales amount, because we want to visualize sales by category. We've now dropped the category. For us to get it, we now sales amount, which we are going to drop in the y-axis. And you can see it here. This is the sales amount. And then this is y-axis, and this is x-axis. So sales by category. Are we there?
Yes.
Okay. And one more thing, if we want to add, make it more colorful or a bit more detailed, we need to add the legend. The legend here, so that we can see sales by category and the product itself. So this is just so we can just drag the product. This is the product. You can drag this product to the legend. This is the legend here. This is the field for the legend. This product name can see to the legend. And now you can see biscuits, butter, chip, coffee. So all the cells, you see it here. We see other yogurts and others. Are we there? And we go to the next visual. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm just
We are
making
here.
sure that I'm just making sure that we are following. That's why I'm just ask not delaying. Or I can just be running. So now the next thing is to visualize monthly sales trend through line charts. This is line chart. If you look at, you see where I'm pointing, all this you see here, they are all charts. So we use a particular chart to visualize a particular scenario. So we want to see sales trend, monthly sales trend. So we drag this, we click on it here, and this is it. We want it here. So the date should go to x-axis. The date should go to x-axis, and the cells to amount to y-axis. So this is date, x-axis, and then on the date, you see here, we need to select, click on it, and then you open it up again. So we need to select year and month by month. Let's select by month. And month. And then let's take sales value to y-axis. See. So you can see it now. So make sure you select year and the month, and we'll see this visual. Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next visual is sales by region. That is the third one. And we're going to use pie charts. So this is pie charts here. This is pie charts. Click on pie charts. Say sales by region. So to do that, we need to drag the region to the legend and sales to the value. Region here. Let's call this region to legend. This is region. You see, there is no XY, so this is region to legend. So, and then value, sales value to value, sales amount to value. So that is sales by region. Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Please, if you don't mind, sorry, I need to take you back a bit with the line chart.
Okay.
Maybe because my network, I think I missed something.
Okay.
I have worked on the dates. I think the date's supposed to come on the x-axis, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yeah.
That's
The
year
date,
and month.
the date should be on the x-axis, and once you put it on x-axis, you go and select a year and month.
Year and month. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That's done. So what's the next thing that we are putting on? Is it the y-axis we are putting something now?
The y-axis is sales amount. You know that everything. Let me tell you, to make it easier for us to understand. All the story we are telling here is based on the sales amount.
Okay. Yes.
Are you getting it? So everything should be
Sales.
against sales amount. Everything against sales amount. How many sales within the category? How much sales within the month? How much sales within the region? How much sales? You know, everything is on sales. So once you put the other variable in the y-x-axis, the other one should be the sales amount. So everything we are visualizing, or the story we are telling here, is against the sales amount.
Yes, I got it now.
Okay.
It has come out the way yours came out.
Yes, everything is against the sales, because you see, this is sales data. This is the sales data set. You want to understand everything they are doing, sales amount over time, over over region, over category, over product. So, are we there now?
Yes.
Yes,
So,
sir. Thank you.
Mr. Charles, you are going to like this so much because this is the,
Yes.
this is the area.
Yes, I love it.
Okay. I hope you start using it in your place of work. Okay. The next thing we are going to do is the map for geographic sense distribution. So we're going to look at the map. So, and you can see the map here. And we click on the map. Oh, no. I line. So
Proceed.
yeah, I was still highlighting on it. So this is the map. So and to do the map, we have to drag the region to location and sense amount to size. So the region to
Yeah,
location.
sorry, sir. Sorry for bringing you back.
Okay.
If you want to put the map on a different part of the Canva now, because when I clicked on it, it came on top of this thing. How did you drag it to that place? Do you right click or you click before you bring it into the dashboard?
You know, before you bring if you click
I want
on
to
the,
put it on the side of this thing.
you just just if you click on it, it will be highlighted. Like
Okay.
I'll highlight it now. You see, if I want to highlight it, I'll just come and click. It's highlighted, and I'll then
Okay, I'll see.
if I okay,
Uh,
you get it now.
I got it now. I got it now.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Mhm.
So then now with region to location. Region to, this is the region. Get it to location. You can see we have different locations here based on what we have on our table. And then the sales amount is going to be on the size, bubble size. So this is the, so this, we're going to drag this to the bubble. So So it's the bubble. So it's the the size of the bubble will determine the where we have the highest cells. You can see. Are you following me?
I have a little challenge. Something about settings. It didn't come up like this, so I'm trying to set it following the instructions.
The same problem I have. My
So
settings also is same map.
something is
How
not
do I
enabled, so I want to try and enable it.
Okay, I think it's on the Power BI setting to enable the map.
Yes.
So
I'm
you
Okay.
trying
say
to-
go to file, option and setting. So which file now?
That's the file at the top. That's the file tab at the top. That's what it means.
Okay, I have seen the file tab, but where are the option and setting now?
It's down, down, down. Go down.
Okay,
You will
I've
see
seen
it.
that. Okay.
Okay, you see
I
it
see the option
here.
and setting.
You
Then
can
I
you
see.
see it here? Okay.
Okay. Boy, bring me to the option. So what again now? Okay. Option and setting. I have seen option and setting. You say you go to options from the
Yes.
dialog box.
Yes. I think you click on the options.
Where are the options? From where I am now, I can't see any options. So
There's options at the top.
I can't see options at the top here. Where is it? Okay, global is there. Okay, yeah. When you are here, where is the option now? Parallel now. Okay, data background. So where is the option now? I can't see option from the page displaying here now. Because that's where I am now.
Option.
So option and setting it will take you to this page where you are now. But I can't see options again to click on options.
No, it's security. You click on no. Once it's security, you are going to click on security.
Okay, I clicked on security.
That's where I
Okay.
am. And
Look, I see
I'll,
map and fill map visuals. Should I just check the box? If you come
Yes.
down, you will see map and fill map visuals. You check the box, right?
If it's not checked, you check it
Check
because
the box. Check the box.
Okay.
Yeah.
if you check it
Let me
and
check.
click OK,
but even I did that, mine is telling me that approved ADFS authentication services. You have not approved any authentication services on this computer. So I'm wondering why that is.
Authentication.
Yes, under that security stuff, if you go below that map and field map visuals, if you go further down, you find mine came up with something like that. That approved ADFS authentication services. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think
Just click OK. That doesn't.
I think all you need is to
I
use
just
your
did mine
map.
too.
All you need is
Okay.
just map for visual. You click on map and click OK. I think it should be fine.
Okay, let me go back there again. Try and see this.
Okay, map and field map visuals. Okay, I clicked OK. Let me click OK. Okay.
Let me just click everything.
Okay. Okay, mine is working now.
Okay.
So you take a region to location, then where again, sir? You take sales amount to where, sir?
Okay.
Bubble.
To bubble. Okay. Okay.
So the
Thank
bubble, the bigger the bubble, the biggest bubble means where we'll have the highest sales. The smallest bubble, like if you click on Lagos here, you can see we have 29,500 cells. And if you go to Benin City, you have Enugu, you have Enugu, that is 4,000 cells. If you click on Abuja, you have 11,500. And if you go to Kano, we have 12,000. You can see that the Enugu own is the smallest, and that is why so the next thing we have to do, I think we are getting there, is the slicer. So this is the slicer. If you can see me, I'm highlighting on it. So we can use slicer for category, region, or date. Okay, let's just add slicer here. That is for category. So if we want to click on this,
Yes, ma'am.
click on this, click on this. You see the way we are using slicer now to control the whole visuals.
Sorry again. So how did you get to this slicer? I will have to. Sorry.
Okay. This is the slicer here. Are you seeing within the visuals, all these visual, all
I've seen
these,
the slide.
huh?
I've seen the slide.
You see it
Yes,
here?
I've seen it.
Okay, click on it.
Okay.
It will appear.
Uh-huh.
So you come to the field here, down here. You can, anyone you want to, if you want slicer for category, I will choose category. Anyone you use, if you want for date, you click for date. As it here. So just to help you to yeah.
Okay.
So the slicer now is now going to be, if you want to filter things out. So if you want to see, because we're talking about category, we have beverage, we have dairy, we have snacks. So whichever one you want to, if you want to see more about beverage, you click on beverage. If you want to see about dairy, you click on dairy. If you want to see on this snacks, for instance, snacks. You see on snacks here, what we are showing is biscuit, chips, nuts, and popcorn. And with that, we can see the sales of these categories, even in the sales by amount, even here, sales by region, even in the map. So if we click on, if we out-click on it, if we want to talk about a beverage, we select beverage. And now you see, you can see coffee, juice, and soda. And that is how it's changing within the other visuals. And if we remove, then if we want to on dairy, you see butter, milk, and yogurt. And that is how you see on this is only Lagos. This is the sales amount in Lagos, dairy, so which is 22,500. And yeah, you see it here. It's only in Lagos that we are selling dairy. So this will help organization to make decision where the product is going, is fast selling. So if any smart organization with this, we know that, sorry, Lagos is their hot spot for dairy, and they will not hesitate to deploy more cells in Lagos and then find out why dairy is not selling in other regions. In terms of snacks, if you click snacks here, we can say that in Kaduna, that is where we have the highest consumption of snacks, which is, yeah, you can see it here, Kaduna as well. Here, from the map, you can see 8,000 cells in Kaduna over this period of time. You see, in the month of April, we had a very high, that is not in the month of July. We had a 4,000 cells in July, and the cells went down again on October. And now, yeah, so you can see, and on the month of April, we had only 2,000 cells. So you can see how you can use all these things to understand what is going on here. And then in the cells, under the category, we can see that popcorn is the highest cell here. Popcorn have 2,000 amount, and yeah, this is biscuits, and this is chips. Chips is 4,000 cells in chips, and we have 3,000. So this is a total of 2,000 divided by 3. You can see this is all we have for popcorn, and this is for biscuits. So, and by region, Kaduna, followed by Abuja, and then Kano and Lagos in terms of, so you see the way we're already using this slicer to interact with this, our dashboard. Yeah. I hope we are making sense here.
Sir, can we have multiple slicers? Maybe in case you want to filter by region or by date.
Yes, we can have multiple slicers. This can add another slicer and call it yeah, in this slicer we can see dates. Are you getting it? Another slicer for region. Okay. So now Abuja, you can see what is going on in Abuja, and then Enugu, you can see what is going on in Enugu, and then Kaduna, you can see what is going on in Kaduna, you can see Kano, and yeah. So you see, you can have as many slices as
And
yeah.
I think we can also check for categories and in each state as well.
Yeah, you
You think
can.
yes.
For instance, if here you see Abuja and you see beverage, so you can combine to filter, a kind of filtering. So, and you can say Lagos, under Lagos, you can decide to see what is going on between different categories in Lagos. Now you've selected Lagos, you can then select beverage. So, and you can see as coffee, and then you say dairy in Lagos. So you can see this only Lagos that you are controlling here. And that's so that's it. And we can scale this. This one again, we can scale it and giving us room to have more slicer and we can add another slicer here and we call it date. Here. The date is between March 2024 to March
12.
1st of yeah,
March 12th of
January to December. From January 1 is January to this is December 3rd. You can see 3rd December, and this is 3rd January, from 3rd January to 3rd December. That is the duration of this. So with that, you can scale what is going on within a range, you know. So, and this is a beautiful dashboard. Yeah. So in your portfolio, we can see you build a sales dashboard. Sales dashboard. So that's what we've just done. We've created a sales dashboard for Foodtraco. We have so many dashboards we can create as well, not only sales. Let me quickly go to our lesson notes. In our lesson notes, um, mm, So here we have several other Foodtraco dashboard we can create. We can create customer insights dashboard. We can create inventory management dashboard. We can create marketing performance dashboard. And all of them here, for instance, the sales customer insight dashboard. The purpose is to understand customer behavior, preference, and demographics. And then inventory dashboard. The purpose is to track stock level, inventory turnover, and stock out risk. And then marketing performance dashboard. The purpose is to measure the success of marketing campaign and channel. And then we have a vendor performance dashboard. Purpose to monitor the performance of vendors on the platform. We have a customer support dashboard, and the purpose is to track efficiency of customer support team and incident resolution rate. And then we have a product performance dashboard to analyze product sale and profitability. We have delivery and logistics dashboard. The purpose is to optimize delivery time and track logistics performance. And then we have financial performance dashboard to monitor overall financial health. And then we have website traffic and conversion dashboard. The purpose is to understand user activity on the website. And then we have return and refund dashboard. The purpose is to track trend and root causes of product return and refund. And then supplier management dashboard to evaluate and manage suppliers' performance. And finally, operational efficiency dashboard to optimize internal workflow and efficiency. So, and you see here we have visual we can use for all these dashboard. So we have created our first portfolio, so we need to create more. So that is it. So by as we are going on break, I'm going to leave us busy for other things, like some of all this dashboard we can create. So I'll get data, some of the data sets for these dashboards that can help us to create these dashboards. I will try to get them, some of them, the much I can get, I'll get them so we can create more dashboard, just like what we just created here. Yeah. So this is where we are going to end it for tonight. And thank you everyone for following. I think
Hello, sir.
we're getting. You have question?
Sir, this dashboard,
Okay.
I think we have not labeled it like to give an header for the dashboard itself.
So the only thing there is to most of the dashboard have created name for itself, like sales across this. But if you want to give it a personalized name, all you need to do is go to format where you put a personalized name. You format it. Yes. You go to visual and for instance on this, let me see. Okay, let me share my screen once more so I can show if you want to format all the formatting means personalizing it. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Okay. It's very easy to do. Well, I'm sorry I thought it's something we can, but let me go back and do it. I will show. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes. Yes. We can.
Okay, good. Okay, the first visual is compare sales by category. Compare sales by category, but if you see here is a count of category by sale. But we can, let's say we want to use personalized name, compare sales by category. You highlight on this. See the way this is highlighted? Then you come to visual. This visual, you see this tab is for to format the visual. You click on it and you come down here and you see various things to, I think from general, you come to title here. Okay. On title here, you clean it. I will say compare sales. Compare sales by T. Yeah, and that is done. So can you see it here? I've changed it here.
Yes.
So you can personalize your other visuals that way. That's it.
Understood, sir. Okay, but I think what I'm trying to say is that the general heading, I think we're going to use it text box, right? For the general heading, like maybe the Foodtraco sales dashboard. Not on the not on the, I mean the general dashboard. What we will see when someone probably want to screenshot our dashboard, a particular heading that captures everything.
Okay, that should be on here where we want to save as. It should be the heading you give. Should be the name you give on it?
No. The heading on like now we are displaying our dashboard, right? A particular heading, the first heading before we start seeing our dashboard, the first heading. Like now, so if ordinary person just try to open the dashboard like this, now the person might not understand what is seeing, he or she is seeing here. You understand? Like the general name before we know all these names now, they are all comparing different sales amount by year, sales amount by region and the rest. But the general heading, the name for the whole dashboard. Like you shared with us that we are still going to work on different dashboard, right? Now
Yeah,
the
but
each
it
of those
doesn't.
dashboard.
It doesn't have where you do it that way. Only if you want to maybe reduce this and add a panel on top of this where we can add it.
Okay, sir.
So this is not like, I know it, like in a sales sheet, you can insert a column or a row and convert it and name it, and then other things will become under it. Are you getting what I mean?
Yes, sir.
But for here is not that way. So the only thing is that you see this is a page. This page, we can call it dashboard here. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
We can say, you can rename this as a page from here. That's the only way you can do it. You come here, this is pages, you can say here, you see here, you see, sales dashboard. Foodtraco sales dashboard. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then if you want to add another page here, you click here, you see this button, you can add another page. You can add another page here. And this page can be called, say, customer insight dashboard. So you see, that's the only way. You see, it makes it people can see different dashboard. If you click on here, you can see sales dashboard. If you click on this, when we build, see, everything will be in the same. So whichever one you want to visualize, if you can click financial reports, whichever, based on all these dashboards that are listed, you can create. With this, you can add as many dashboard as you want in a single, but to come and have it listed here can be possible, but I've not done it. So,
no problem. Thank you, sir. I'll check further.
so that is the
No,
only
thanks.
way you can now is whoever is following can see where to check which dashboard they want to see. And then if you want to personalize each visual, you click on the visual like this one, you go to edit here, that is the format. You format it, you give it a personalized name. If you want to change colors of visual as well, you can do that from here as well. You can format means personalizing more the way you want it.
Thanks, sir.
All right. Do any other person have any question? Okay. So I hope all of us managed to participate, to follow up. Or for Alex, you are raising your hand.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. So thank you for the dashboard. It makes sense. The only question I want to ask, if I want to present this dashboard now to a client, maybe I've worked on it, and I want to present it, and then I want them to also have access to the document, and maybe they don't have Power BI on their system. So how do we extract the dashboard with the way it is with the visuals?
Yeah, if you want to share the dashboard, the person must be able to have a Power BI. You need to save it in a Power BI document. You remember when we were starting, I talk about savings, PB something ending. Do you remember that?
Yes.
And that is the only way the person you can send it maybe to your line manager and he can feel the interaction. Alternatively, you can just send it as a picture, which has no interaction. It cannot be interactive. Like you see the way we use Liza to interact with different section, you see it's very interactive. But if you want it to send it to someone to be able to interact with it, then the person must have Power BI in order to view them. It's a Power BI document. It's just like saying, how do you open Excel document with somebody who doesn't have Excel? He cannot open Excel with somebody who doesn't have Excel. It must be Excel document, or this thing is
Google Sheet.
Google Sheet, but which is still Excel. This is still spreadsheet. The person cannot open it in a Word document or PowerPoint. It's not possible.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Okay. All right.
So we will appreciate getting the video tomorrow so that we practice more.
No problems.
Thank you, sir.
No worries.
Okay,
By tomorrow,
Thank you,
I will try to get. We need to build more dashboard. So
Okay.
so that if you want to showcase your work, At least you have something tangible to showcase.
Thanks.
All right. Thank you and good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night. Good night, everybody.
Yeah.
Good night. Good night.